Walter and I are engaged.
Congratulations, Walter.
Bless you.
We really don't know if Annie leaves Walter because of his allergies.
This is a very important moment for me.
He's allergic to everything. Don't worry about it.
Another season, and that's the reason for me whoopee.
But we can't help but wonder if we could have given Sleepless in Seattle a very different ending.
It's so important to make someone happy. Make just one someone happy.
When you don't know who to call, don't throw in the towel. Call ENT Surgical Consultants. ENTSurgicalIllinois.com. We're here for you.